Hello, it's Barb Del Judas with Beanie, my sweetie. He's my 17-year-old cockatiel. He's in great shape. Well, he was dancing on my arm and I wanted to get it on camera. Well, I can't seem to do it. Whenever I turn it on, he quits dancing. So we'll see. Beanie, you gonna dance? You gonna dance? Oh, whoops. There, you gonna dance, sweetie? No? Well, we're saying hello. Here we are from Hoquiam, Washington. And he's just gonna look at himself. He can see himself in the camera. But he's not gonna do the dance. Oh, Beanie. Oh, he hears my nephew coughing. He's still not used to it. Now he's blowing his nose. I mean, he's a lot better. He's not flying all over the room. He's a lot more used to the noises. We used to live by ourselves and it was real quiet. Anyway, I guess we'll let you go. You have a nice... Oh, Beanie. Yeah. Let's see. Maybe if I hold it up, he'll do a dance. You gonna do a dance?